Alright, so guys, on today's video we are going to show you another v-neck tutorial. You know, understand, as I told you, we are going to bring you beautiful back-to-back sewing tutorial video. So now today we are going to see a v-neck tutorial, v-neck design. So we have already cut it and we have joined the shoulders together to make it looks this way, just like we always do. If you check on how to cut the v-neck tutorial in my my channel, right? So we are going to show you how to do it again, in case some people haven't seen it, because a lot of people, we want to gain a lot of people for them to see exactly how to do this, you know, understand? So we have make it this way, we have cutted it to make it this way. So now we are going to measure it and stitch it or sew it with a design, right, with a different fabric design. So guys, this is what we are going to do right now. We are going to make from this down part, you see, from this line part, this down part right here, we are going to measure 2.5 and make it like this. Can you see it? Then we mark it with a chalk right here, right? So on this 2.5 inches, we are going to measure it all around to the end part to make it come to this part. So say just what the way I'm measuring it, so that you're able to see exactly how to do it, you understand? So I'm measuring it, I'm continuing from where it was. So now we have like 9 inches here. We are measuring it all through, you understand? So just watch the way I'm doing it and you'll be able to understand the way I'm doing it. So I am measuring it all around just to get the v-neck measurement, the measurement for the v-neck, so that you're able to cut the fabric and stitch it. So guys, so now we are going to open it just like it was, right? Can you see? Now we have landed here. So guys, now we have landed where it was, right? Can you see the line right here? So we are going to straighten it to the down part, where the chalk is being marked. So guys, that means it is 25 inches that we got. So the 25 inches is the length of the v-neck. So we are making a shirt back 14. So the wideness is going to be what, 1.5 or almost 1.5. So we stitch it 1/4 inches and it will left 1 inch. Oh, let me just show it to you. Okay, so guys, this is the fabric that we are going to use it to do. Just like I said, we have measured this one all through and it's 25 inches, right? So this fabric is, guys, can you see it right here? This fabric is 2.5 inch and we have folded it into 2, right, to make it this measurement. What do you call it? Almost 1.5 inches. This is 1.5, so almost 1.5 inches, and the length of it is this whole round, right? That is the 25 inches. So if let me measure it for you to see that it is 25 inches that we have cutted the length to be. Can you see it right here? 25 inches, just like we measured this one. So now guys, we are going to put it on it and stitch it, right? So to do it, guys, take a look at where the chalk is being marked. This is where the chalk is being marked at this place. I don't want to use pen so that it's not gonna make the shirt look style, you understand? So we are going to open the shirt, right? We are going to open the shirt. We are making a v-neck tutorial, v-neck design. So guys, we are going to open the neck. So can you see right here, we have opened the neck, we have turned it to make the front come on top like this, and the back go to the back, right? So this is how we are going to do it. We are going to put this one on it like this, on the mouth like this, and to make it go to where the chalk is being marked, and we are going to stitch it 1/4 inches all around to the end part, and to make it looks the way this place to look the way this one is looking. So please like this video. Let's get it done. So guys, we are stitching it on 1/4 inch. That was my time. Let's get it done. Can you see it? We are stitching it from where the line is being cut. You see the cutting place, the last cutting place where the line is. We are stitching it from there all around. We are stitching it on 1/4 inch. So just watch it carefully so that you will see exactly how to do it. So guys, whilst you are doing, then you are arranging it well so that it's not gonna make any mistake. You know, understand? Whilst you are stitching it, then you are arranging it well so that you're not gonna record any mistake. You know, understand? Stitching it all around on 1/4 inch to make the V-neck, right? So if you are new here, kindly follow, like, comment and share this video. Stitching a V-neck design. Stitching a V-neck design. Stitching it all around just like we showed you guys. Just like we showed you guys. Take your time whilst doing it, right? We don't rush here. We take our time to stitch right here. So we are going to land here on the line, right? Guys, have you seen where I'm talking about? So when we sew it to this part, then we stitch it to make it hard, to make the thread hard right here, right? Guys, hope you understand what I'm talking about. Make it hard right here, then we remove the thread. You know, understand? So guys, now we have set it, so we are removing the thread. We are cutting the thread, the excess thread from it, right? We are going to remove the shirt. So this is where we have stitched so far. Let me turn it for you to see. Let me turn it for you to see. You see, guys, it was more than that. You understand? So we gotta cut here a little bit. You understand? It's just like that. That's how we do it, right? So guys, now this place, this is where we have gotten so far. So now we are going to cut this side and this side, just where I'm cutting it, so that you're able to see exactly how to cut it. After cutting it, I will show you to you. You are cutting it slightly, but please make sure it doesn't cut where the thread is being stitched. Make sure it doesn't cut where the thread is being stitched, otherwise you're gonna make it some ways. You know, understand? So guys, can you see where I've cutted it? You see the corner. You know, understand? We have cutted the corners. You know, understand? So guys, now we're going to turn the shirt like this. You understand? We're going to turn the shirt like this. We didn't add a stiff. If you like, you can add a stiff onto the design fabric, right? To make it, it's all the same, right? So guys, now we are going to fold it inside. We're going to fold this one inside first, right? And after that, you will be folding this one too inside. You don't understand? We're going to fold this one too inside, right? Then we are going to iron it to make it the way we want it to be, right? So guys, then we are going to iron it. So we are going to iron it and fold this part inside, the down part inside like this. You know, understand? And iron it all through. You know, understand? To make it smooth and come and show you the next part. To make it smooth and come and show you the next part, right? Alright, so guys, now we have done ironing to make it smooth. Can you see the way it's looking? You can already see the V-neck design. Alright, so now we are going to open it. We're going to open the top part. You know, understand? The front part. We're going to open the front part of the shirt like this. So guys, we have done open it. There's some excess thread right here, so we are going to cut it. So guys, can you see this place? Let me show it to you. Can you see this place? This place, we are going to hold it like this. Or let me first cut some part from this place. You understand? So that it's gonna be easy to be holding it. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. This place where I have put it on the table like this, we are arranging the thread, the sewing machine thread. So guys, can you see it? We are going to stitch it. We are going to stitch it on top. Just watch the way I'm doing it and you'll be able to understand the way or how to do it, right? We're going to stitch it on top of it to make it stick on the white fabric, the one that we want. It's showing a little bit outside. You now understand? The one that we have stitched it on it. You understand? So guys, then after stitching it, then you cut the excess thread. You will cut the excess thread from it, right? And cut a little bit from this one self. You understand? The reason why I didn't add a stiff is because it's gonna make it too hard. So guys, can you see how it's looking right now? Can you see how it's looking right now? So guys, now we are going to stitch it all around from this place all through to the end part, so that we get to the finish of the v-neck sewing. It's just simple. So we are starting it. We are opening it. You open it just like when you started stitching it. You open it before you stitch it, right? So guys, now we are going to stitch it on top. We are going to stitch the thread on top of it to make it look stunning. To make it look the way we want it to do, right? We are stitching it on top all around the end parts, right? We are stitching it on top all around to the end parts. So guys, we are stitching it all around. So guys, we are stitching it all around to the end part. So just watch it carefully. So how you stitch it. Stitching it on top just to get to the end part. To make it look nice. So guys, now we have done stitching it on top. So guys, we are going to iron the top, the back and the top, and to come and show you the results of the v-neck, right? All right, so guys, after ironing it, this is exactly how the v-neck is looking. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next videos. Thank you. Love you.